I'm Dakota Villiere. I'm a senior majoring in biology at SUNY Potsdam. So this greenhouse is called the Wilder Center. It's a very special place. It was donor funded. Working here and with the plants is a very calming, surreal experience. We started with like small little black trays and rock wool, and we just put the seeds in there, a little bit of topsoil. It takes about a week for the seeds to germinate, and then from there you have to put it in the tower. It's a reservoir, it's 55 gallons. Fill it up with water and nutrients. Water is transported upwards, and then it filters down, passing all the seed pots. The growing speed is actually quite impressive, and it's much faster than if you were just planting the ground. And we'll use those vegetables to feed our animals on campus. The rest of the vegetables will end up going to Pacey's, which is our dining facilities across campus. I have a lot of people ask me oh, how did you end up doing this? I would recommend to anyone to do an internship. It gives you work experience, real life experience. In the bio major, I've had a lot of fun, whether it's working in labs or working with other professors, or like what I'm doing right now, working with Ray in the Wilder Center. I've been able to work hands-on at my own pace. Coming here has definitely opened up my mind to a lot of different things I never thought about before.